Have you ever had a peach salsa? This recipe is really an easy one to make, and it's great for having fresh pizzas in the summer. Let me tell you how to make it. I used 1 can of black beans that I've drained and rinsed, and then I used 1 cucumber. I diced that up. I like to peel it because otherwise they can kind of be bitter sometimes. I had 2 peaches on hand, so that's what I diced up and I added, and diced it up as fine as I could, and I added to a big mixing bowl. I had 1 red onion, and I diced that up, added that, and I had tomatoes on hand, diced those up, added, there was a lot of dicing happening, and but I added that to the bowl, and then I used something that's called a sweet cherry pepper. They come in a jar. Save the brine because you use the brine, but I took some of the seeds out and I diced that up, put that in. It adds a really unique flavor, and then I made the dressing out of lime juice. I had 3 limes on hand, so that's what I did. I juiced 3 limes, and this gadget you see here, it actually fits in top of the mason jar, which I'm going to make the salad dressing in as soon as I get the limes all juiced. And so you can see how this works, how nice it is. It gets the pulp out, and I have a nice amount of juice. Then a 1/2 cup of the brine that we saved, salt, pepper. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And on to that, we're going to add a little bit of rice vinegar and a little bit of olive oil. And you put your lid on top of your jar and you give it a good shake, get everything mixed up and emulsified, and then you pour that. And I didn't have to use quite the whole jar, so then I saved some of it for salad later, but I used most of the jar as the salad dressing for the salsa ingredients. And then I just gave a little bit of a stir, and then you can serve it in a bowl, you can serve it in cups, serve it with chips, you can serve it along with tacos, fish, pork, be creative. It's really, really good.